Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to tackle a common problem that many Excel users face when trying to automate their workflows. The problem we are addressing involves enabling custom tabs based on the activated sheets in an Excel workbook. Now, diving into the solution provided, we are going to leverage an XML file to define the custom tabs that we want to activate. Additionally, we will be using VBA code to handle the activation of these custom tabs based on the currently active sheet. By implementing this approach, we can seamlessly switch between different tabs depending on the sheet that is being accessed. To get started, we first need to set up the XML file with the necessary tab definitions. This file will be critical for defining the structure of our custom tabs and groups within Excel. Next, we will create VBA code in a standard module of the workbook to handle the activation of the custom tabs. This code will interact with the XML file and dynamically activate the appropriate tab based on the active sheet. Moving on to the implementation, we will add an event in the This Workbook Code module to trigger the tab activation logic whenever a sheet is activated. This event will check the name of the active sheet and activate the corresponding custom tab accordingly. By following these steps, we can achieve seamless tab activation based on the context of the active sheet. Give this solution a try in your Excel workbook and see how it streamlines your workflow by automatically switching between custom tabs. Don't forget to test it out and let us know how it works for you. I hope this solution helps you enhance your Excel experience and automate tab activation based on sheet changes. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and comment below with your favorite Excel automation tips. Goodbye for now, and happy Excelling.